Welcome back to my channel. Green Valley Ranch Resort Spa and Casino is located in Henderson, Nevada, just 20 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. Last December, they celebrated their 20th anniversary with a property-wide celebration and a spectacular display of fireworks. Today we're at Green Valley Hotel and Casino. We're going to take a quick tour around the property. It's going to be fun. Come check it out with me. Valley Ranch, let's check it out. That's right from the outdoor parking. Food court on the left. And the ballrooms. Let's look at the ballrooms. We're headed to the hotel lobby from the outdoor parking. Green Valley offers a consistent rotation of hotel discounts and packages. Be sure to check their website monthly for the latest discounts. Here are the latest promo packages on their site. Special discounts are offered to students, teachers, first responders, healthcare professionals, and locals. So guys, if I had one comment about this hotel is that the hotel lobby is so far from the casino floor. Like if you were in a room and you wanted to go to the casino floor, the walk is just ridiculous. I stayed here once, had to haul my suitcase from the car to the hotel lobby. It was so far. Otherwise, I like the casino. I do like the casino. They have a food court adjacent to the casino floor. It's perfect for a quick bite if you don't want to sit in a restaurant. And there's a great selection from burgers to pizza to Chinese food and even a Starbucks. If you like what you're watching, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that like and subscribe button. A fun fact about Green Valley is that it was featured on a reality show called American Casino on the Discovery Channel. It ran for 2 seasons. Just outside the food court, down these escalators, is a movie theater. I just love this about Green Valley because I just love watching movies with a big bucket of buttery popcorn. There are 10 theaters here. And at the top of those escalators, there's the High Limit Lounge. Green Valley has an extensive collection of over 2,500 machines, from video poker to fun games like Buffalo. They also have a great mix of table games, including blackjack, pai gow poker, craps, and roulette. There's also a bingo room with some pretty great progressive payouts.
Just a friendly reminder to message me on while you're in the bingo room. Thank you.
There's also a live Keno Lounge, which you typically don't have at the Strip casinos. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm a little hungry. Let's grab a bite at the Lucky Penny Cafe. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here's a little peek at their menu. I like Lucky Penny. I like their food, especially their nachos. They also have one at Red Rock Casino. If you haven't seen that video yet, check the description box below. The link is there. So here's what we got. This is the fish and chips platter. It's huge. Ooh. Almost fell. So guys, I was telling you about my favorite nachos from Lucky Penny. Here it is. This is what I love about it. The cheese is actually a sauce. Where are we? Delicious. And we also ordered the taquitos. Look at that presentation. Why am I coming so close? That looks good. Yummy. There are a total of 7 dining establishments at Green Valley, including Lucky Penny and excluding the food court. There are 5 bars and lounges. Here's the sidebar. Here is the sports book. It features 5 large format viewing walls, over 30 50-inch high-definition screens, and an array of individual monitors. And walking towards the sports bar that I mentioned earlier. It sits adjacent to the sports book. Here is Tide's Oyster Bar. This is Baracha. They have Mexican food. Bottiglia is their Italian restaurant. Hank's Fine Steaks and Martinis is a local favorite. They serve prime and dry-aged steaks and seafood. Here's just some of their food, courtesy of Hank's and Green Valley. As a bonus, a few steps away is the District at Green Valley Ranch. It features some great retail and dining options. We'll pass by it on the way out. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.